Little Shepherd's Trail got really fucked up, as you can see. You don't see it yet. Look at there. Whole tree's gonna fall down yonder. Its buddies is still holding it up. See, that tree's friends has got its back. So I ain't gonna let you leave yet, but group's about gone. That's about all I'm giving you on this trip. I'll be back though. I know we keep seeing a lot of weather damage. Look at that big son of a bitch.
Tasmanian devil come through here.
Damn, I reckon. Mother Nature on her fucking period come through here crazier than hell. Squirting fucking Mother Nature clip blood everywhere.